Oh, there's a squirrel.
Look at that one flying out.
They're trying to grab it. Flying.
Husky's hair is good for something. The birds keep coming and grabbing tons. Unfortunately, they're making nests in my own house. There's one. She keeps coming back and forth grabbing it. She just took a bunch. That was a big pile. Look at, they're still coming for it. Wow, she's got a big load. Look at that.
Yeah.
Dad. Big mouse in the background.
Brianna, you too?
Oh. Oh, right, you were green. Oops.
Oh, I see her trying to fly with that big old mouthful. She didn't make it too far, but she moved away so she could take it. Look at, they're all coming back for more.
Fighting over dog fur. I want to go get more fur from Thor's butt.
She dropped it and she came back and picked it up.
That's so funny. I can fit more in my mouth. Coming back. I wonder if it sticks to their tongue.
This is just a clump Brianna put out front. I got a ton in the back from Thor, and we've got 3 huskies. So that little bit there is nothing compared to what they can have soon.